And I want to remind you, because we can sometimes forget, this tapping thing is talking to the unconscious mind. It's talking to the amygdala. It's talking to the fight or flight response of the body. And it's telling it, I'm okay. Deanna's okay. Things might be stressful, and she's okay. She might not even know she's stressed, but deep inside, there is a stress response going on, and it doesn't know language. It's more like Charlie Brown, if you remember Charlie Brown and the teacher going, wah,
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 wah.
wah. That's what talking is to the amygdala. But the tapping, it understands that, it senses it. And that's why it's such a powerful tool, and why it seems like, oh, wait a minute, all of a sudden the ideas come in. They do, because you've turned down the stress response. So that's why we're so passionate about, sharing it, using it, adding it to so many different ways that you can do that. The energy smoothie is just tapping with or without words. It's kind of like what Tracy was saying. Sometimes it's that question, or it could be, I don't even know what to tap on, or you don't have anything that comes to mind. Just tap. And you're actually smoothing out the energy in your system and preparing yourself for the day, or relaxing yourself and giving yourself a little bit of a break and telling that amygdala, I'm okay. I might have been worried about a lot of things, but right now I'm actually okay. So I just encourage you to do that. That down regulating turbo tapping or tap and rant, one of my faves when you're really cranky. Just let it rip, man. Don't. And you know how when you're really mad and sometimes you're saying it out loud and sometimes it's all in your head and it's going on and on. Whatever is going on in your head, just start tapping. Don't worry about the points. If you miss a point, you're okay. That's all right. Sometimes you're going to skip points. Doesn't matter. All rivers lead to the ocean. So just keep going, but allow yourself to feel the expression of it, and you'll find that you'll go through your especially anger a lot faster. You'll get to the other side, turns down the fight or flight response. All of a sudden you have new insights, new capabilities.